Is the Ageas Federal Guaranteed Lifetime Income Plan the key to a worry free retirement or just another overhyped insurance product? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. This is a non-linked, non-participating individual general annuity plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you get assured lifetime income to secure your post-retirement years, you have single premium payment for lifelong convenience, and you have the flexibility to choose your payout frequency, which is monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or even annually. And you have the choice between immediate or deferred annuity options, and there is return of purchase price to your nominee upon death as well. So these are some key features of the policy, and there are benefits as well. So some of the advantages are: the single premium is a convenience because you just get to pay once and enjoy lifelong income, and there are stable payouts for life like guaranteed fixed income throughout your retirement, and legacy benefit, which is return of the purchase price to your loved ones after your lifetime. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like your annuity payouts are fully taxable as per your income tax slab rate, and surrender is permitted only under select annuity options, and there are no fixed payouts without annual step up to offset rising cost. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about it, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. However, if you still want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can definitely refer the policy brochure. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 60-year-old male has invested 25 lakhs in option 2, which is immediate life annuity with return of purchase price, which is for single life, and the policyholder will receive an annual annuity of 1.57 lakhs for life under this option starting right away. Assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the purchase price is returned to his nominee at that time. So the IRR on this cash flow works out to be 6.17% as per the policy's maturity calculator. While the promise of a steady, lifelong income sounds appealing, the trade-offs are significant. The corpus is locked in with no liquidity and the payout remains fixed, so leaving no cushion against rising expenses. This means that although the annuity may feel adequate in the initial years, its value erodes over time due to inflation. So this plan offers moderate returns and stability, but falls short on flexibility and inflation protection, which are the two critical factors for long-term retirement planning. As this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to the comparative analysis part of the video, where we are going to take a look at some of the alternatives. So first, we are going to take a look at some popular fixed income options, including bank fixed deposit, where you can expect an annual return of 6 to 7%, which are safe bank-backed instruments offering guaranteed interest for a fixed tenure. Another option is senior citizen savings schemes, SCSS, which gives you an annual return of 8.20%. So this is a government-backed scheme designed for seniors with regular interest payouts. And finally, we have RBI floating rate savings bond, where you can expect annually 8.05% return. So these are government issued bonds with interest rate linked to the NSE rate. So it provides biannual income. So these instruments not only provide you with fixed cash payout, but also greater liquidity compared to other annuity plans. However, like annuities, they too lack inflation protection. So to bridge this gap, we are going to blend equity into our portfolio, which can deliver us higher returns and preserve the purchasing power. So using the same 25 lakh corpus from the Ageas plan, we are going to do a 60:40 allocation between equity and debt, which can be structured like equity is 15 lakhs, which is the 60% of it, targeted at wealth creation, assuming 12% return we can invest in it, and remaining 10 lakhs, which is the 40% of the 25 lakhs, we are going to invest in debt, which is focused more on stability and regular income, assuming a 6% return. So the retiree here starts with an annual withdrawal of 1.57 lakhs, similar to the annuity payout. So address inflation, this income is going to increase by 6% every 5 years. So portfolio rebalancing is carried out every 5 years, shifting gains from equity to debt to maintain balance. At age 71, the portfolio is fully shifted into debt to safeguard against market volatility in later years. By age 85, this strategy leaves behind a surplus corpus of 44 lakhs, a significant advantage compared to the annuity plan return of only 25 lakhs. A disciplined 60 is to 40 equity debt allocation with inflation adjusted withdrawals and periodic rebalancing not only provides a steady income but also preserves and grows wealth. It offers flexibility, inflation protection, and stronger legacy, making it a more rewarding retirement strategy than a fixed annuity plan. What is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Ageas federal guaranteed lifetime income plan worth it or not? So this policy offers retirees the comfort of a regular annuity for life. By investing a lump sum, one can secure a fixed income with the purchase price returned to the nominee upon death, depending on the chosen option. So its simplicity and one-time premium structure may appear attractive to those seeking a hassle-free solution. However, while lifetime income is a key advantage, it shouldn't be the only factor in selecting this plan. A closer look reveals that the returns are modest, often lower than traditional debt instruments, and it also has a high agent commission. In fact, even bank fixed deposits tend to deliver better interest rate. This makes the plan a less effective choice for parking your retirement corpus. The real challenges retirees face are liquidity and inflation. Liquidity can be managed by keeping short-term needs in low volatility debt instruments, and inflation by incorporating equity allocation in the portfolio to preserve and grow your purchasing power. As discussed earlier, a balanced equity debt mix with periodic rebalancing can deliver inflation adjusted income while maintaining financial security. Retirement planning should never rely on a one size fits all annuity plan. Instead, a customized strategy built around your goals and risk tolerance is the key to long term financial well being.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.